In this guide, we're going over if Spotify integration is available in College Football 27. Intro. Now, to keep this video straight to the point and extremely short, College Football 27 currently does not support Spotify integration. You cannot connect your Spotify account or play your own Spotify playlist to the game. The only music available inside of College Football 27 is going to be this in-game music. And there is a lot of stuff in here. I think it's a little bit more than last year, but unfortunately, there's no Spotify integration. Even if you go to the actual settings as well, you'll notice there's nothing in there for you. Now, you can still play Spotify separately through your console or another device, but it's not going to be connected to the game, unfortunately. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.